How you going, guys? It's Kurt here, founder of Nomad Moto. My friend Michael Waldell's just pulled up. He's a YouTuber and also an affiliate of Nomad Moto, and he's come along with his CFMOTO to fit the Strzelecki Rackless base layer that comes with the Strzelecki panniers and roll bag. So it fits really well. It does have the base pannier rack, and yeah, it's a really nice fit. So we'll just come in on this side. It's snug, really good fit. So you can go rackless. If you got those plates, it's probably going to work best for you. What I'll do is I'll get Michael to sit on the bike and he can show you, because his bike, it's set up for him. He can tell us how it feels.
So this would be my normal seating position, and if I needed to stretch back, I've got plenty of room there. But that's there, standing up, that's my thing, leaning back, plenty of room.
So what do you think, Michael?
It fits well. It fits really well. Right in a good spot for weight distribution, not impeding on the seating position. That's what I like.
And it's in front of the axle.
That's it.
Most important part.
Yep. No, it fits real well. And nice and snug, doesn't move.
And you can see here, guys, CFMOTO owners, all that weight is in front of the rear axle. That's really important. Your weight's down low and it's forward of that axle. Very important. Otherwise you get the pendulum effect and you lose a bit of handling on the front, and it can also kick up and give you issues. So yeah, it's really important to keep all your weight in front of that axle and as low as possible. And the Strzelecki edition Nomad Moto panniers with the Rackless base on the CFMOTO do the job. So there you have it, CFMOTO 450MT owners. The Nomad Moto Rackless layer fits straight on your bike. So guys, I'm going to jump on the CFMOTO myself, but you know, it's not set up for me. That's really comfortable though. Is that the tall seat, Michael, on here?
Yes, it is.
It is. So yeah, that's great. Like for me personally, I'm 6'1", and I'm not feeling the bags at all. I don't know, I'm going to try and balance and stand up. Probably not going to work. I can't balance. Balance isn't my greatest skill. The sitting position for me, which is the most important position, is spot on, and I'm 6'1". And if you look at the rear axle, the line of that, the bags and your weight are in front of it. And you've got to do that. Guys, if you go behind your axle with your luggage, you might even want to go and try it. You know, just move your luggage back over the rear of your axle, and you just notice the handling difference. So you know, it's just not me droning on about it. But keep your weight in front of the axle all the time. All right, guys, that's enough lecturing from me. Beauty. It's a CFMOTO 450MT with a Nomad Moto Strzelecki Rackless base with the Strzelecki panniers, 20-litre panniers, and the 40-litre roll bag. But if I'm going out for an overnight trip, it's not over for me yet, guys. If I was going for an overnight trip, I wouldn't take my roll bag. So I would take that off, and I'd just have so on this side, I put my clothes and I put half my wet weather gear in it. That's on the exhaust side. The exhaust carry a bit of weight, so I like to counter the weight, and I'll put my tools in my left side, which take up about that much space. And then the rest, I usually would put, you know, just some other bits and pieces, maybe some snacks and some extra whatever didn't fit in there. And then I'll put maybe a little bit of wet weather gear in this one, if I had half in there and half in there. And that's me. And then I'll get to the pub, and you just literally, when you get to the pub, you got your straps. Michael's going to keep the camera on me, and you get your straps and you flick them out. So we're out. We've got two on the back. Got two here, and then we got another one at the front. So we've got that, and I'll just slide that out. And then I'll get to the pub. These bags have handles on them. There you go, pub time. Easy. And then you come out in the morning, you chuck your bags back over, set it to where you want it. You know, if you're not sure, just look where your axle was the day before. Put your straps around at the back, 2 straps at the back, put your straps around at the front, pull it tight, you're away. It's that easy. Under 30 seconds if you know what you're doing. If not, first time will probably take you about a minute, minute and a half. But once you've done it once, that's a 30-second job. So there you have it. Nomad Moto Strzelecki edition with a Strzelecki edition Rackless base layer from Nomad Moto. I'm Kurt from Nomad Moto. I'm the founder. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Beauty.